We are pleased to show you the 2017 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, backup camera, cruise control, FWD, premium sound system, power door locks, MP3 player, power windows, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.